How to delete Google Maps contribution, a new update. Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to delete Google Maps contribution. First, open the Google Maps app on your mobile phone. Make sure to log in or sign up for your account. In the bottom right corner, tap on Contribute. You will find different options on the top line. Scroll down and you will find the Inspire Curiosity area. Here, you can share what is special about your favorite places. Then, tap on Contribute Now, and you can share your experience here. Go back and you can turn on the timeline by giving the location access. After that, go to the settings and you can allow the location. Next, go back and tap on your profile. Now, you will see your contributions, and you'll find your 0 contributions. If you want to increase your contributions, go back and tap on Add Photo. Choose any photo or video from your gallery. You can edit them by cropping them. Then, hit the Post button to post the videos. Here, tap on your profile and select the photo updates. Tap on the 3 dots and select the Delete Post button. In this way, it will delete the Google Maps contribution. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.